So just yesterday evening, I finished working on this device. It's a rechargeable night light that's built inside an old Tupperware box. What makes this device really cool is that it is sensitive to light, which means every night once I switch off my main room lights, this will automatically turn on, giving me enough ambient light to walk around in the room and not stub my toes. And once I'm ready to go to bed and I want to switch it off, I just touch it once. The next morning, once the lights are back on, this device gets reset, so I don't have to bother about reactivating it for the next night. Here's what's inside this device. You have a 3.7 volt lithium ion battery that can be charged using this charging module. The 3.7 volts on its own is not enough to power anything, so I'm using this boost converter to boost it up to 10 volts, and that goes to this control circuit here. To detect ambient light, I'm using this LDR or light dependent resistor, and to detect touch, I'm using this touch sensor, which is just taped to the base of this case. So this is the circuit schematic for this device. There's mainly two parts to the circuit. First is the light sensor and second is the latch. The light sensor is pretty straightforward. The LDR and the resistor, they form a voltage divider, and their output voltage is going to change depending on the light intensity. If the light intensity is high, the LDR's resistance is going to be low and the voltage is going to be high, and vice versa. Now the comparator here is comparing the voltage from this voltage divider with a preset potentiometer. If the voltage detected on this voltage divider is higher than the preset, then the output is going to be high, otherwise it's going to be low. The capacitor and this resistor, they form kind of an edge detector, so I only get a signal on the output when the light intensity switches from high to low. The output of the light sensor is going to the set input of our SR latch, made again using an op amp, and the output of our touch sensor is connected to the reset input of our latch. When the light intensity drops, it sets this latch, which is going to turn on this MOSFET, which will allow current to flow through the LEDs. When the touch sensor is pressed, it basically turns on this transistor, which resets this latch, turning these LEDs off.